Kevin Polar here. I'm going to do a video on keyword research. So we start with why. Why do you need keyword research? 90% of keywords have very little traffic, and for this reason you need to invest in keyword research. It'll either invest your time or your money. Research has shown maximum visitors against clicks in the top position in Google are number one, ranking number one is 42%, 2, 12%, 3 is 8%, 6, 5, 4, and 3, right down to number 7. As you'll see, it drops off very, very quickly from ranking number one. The remaining 20% is spread out over all the remaining sites. As you can see from this, getting your page ranked up to number one is critical to the success of your business. There are 4 categories of research, and there's relevance, traffic, competition, and commerciality. All 4 of these categories are equally important in the success of your business, and if you get them all right, you're well on your way to being successful. So, category 1, relevance. Your keyword research should aim to find keywords relevant to your niche and your product. They should address the pain and offer a solution to your audience. If not, you may find you manage to get your page to rank at number one on the search engines, but you will more than likely find you are generating very few, if any, sales. Visitors will go to your site searching your keyword, but when they are on the site, if the product is not what they're looking for, they're not going to hang around. If it does not address their pain or solve their problem, they're gone. And they will probably remember you, and you've lost them forever. They'll be thinking, oh, this person is not delivering what I'm looking for, and they will not come back. Category 2 is traffic. Keyword researching is all about traffic, or that's what they say. And there are high volume keywords in every niche. It is common belief that you need to find the highest volume keywords with the least competition. This is true, and if you can find a high volume keyword with little competition, you're going to do extremely well, but they're hard to find. There is also a method you can use low volume keywords and stack them. Add many of these keywords to achieve your volume. So let's look at an example of this in the Make Money Online niche, which is extremely competitive. We use long tail keywords with less competition, and volume ranking is easier. So here we have 7 long tail keywords in the Making Money Online niche. Now these long tail keywords, as you see, they're highly targeted and they have little traffic, but their TAC, which is title and anchor competition, is low. We've only got 11 there. What this means is the amount of times this phrase, this keyword phrase, appears in the title and the anchor text of this page or website. Okay, and we have SEO value. It's still value there, so you can monetize it, and the difficulty is 45%. Now, if you went for Make Money Online, it would be significantly higher than this. It would be harder to rank. Okay, so we go on to competition, which comes in 2 forms. Is how much volume and the strength of the competition. The size of the competition speaks for itself. I mean, there's just a lot of traffic there. It does mean a lot with the strength of competition, because if there's a lot of traffic there, it's a very popular keyword, and the big guys will go after these words. Strength of the competition is massively important. You don't want to be going up against the big guys. They have a huge marketing budget and spend a fortune to get their sites to the number one position. They're the heavy lifting guys with lots of money and lots of power. So monetization, it's the same as relevancy, where if you get it wrong, you don't get any money. It doesn't matter how good you do the rest of them. You get a lot of people to your site, but they don't have the money or they don't want to spend their money, so you've wasted your time. We can use the water pipe analogy to explain commerciality. High commerciality keyword has a pipe with high monetary flow, whereas a low keyword is a small pipe with low money flow. So if you're in that high flow, to get a piece of that is easier. If you're in the low flow, then it's very difficult. So let's go over what you've learned here. Research is important to identify relevant keywords to your niche, audience, and your product. You have to make sure they're all congruent. You have to make sure you're addressing their pain and offering a solution to that pain. When you have the relevant keyword, you have to identify high traffic keyword within that keyword subset. That is true, but I've also offered you another solution with the low traffic keywords. Your research has to take into account the size and strength of your competition and identify keywords that you can compete with in your budget. Don't go after the big guys because you will not win. You must be able to monetize your keyword. All the rest means nothing if your audience are not willing to part with their cash. So what are your options? Well, basically you have two. One option is doing it yourself and the other is paying someone to do it for you. If you have the money, you have the budget, it's a good idea to pay someone to do it for you, then you can spend your time on money-making tasks. If you have a low budget, obviously you're going to have to do it for yourself. So there are very good sites and software on the market to help you with your keyword research. The most popular would be Google Keyword Tool. To use this, you need a Google AdWords account, which is free to open. You click on the link there and you will be able to, that will take you to Google AdWords. I won't do training on this now because it's a course in itself. I'll do that at a later stage. Okay, there is another option that I use, which is Market Samurai. It's software you get for free for a trial period. I think it is 30 days trial of the pro version. Then it costs $147 one-off payment. You can still use free version, but only the keyword research module. So you can click there to go and download the software. Training on keyword research, as I said, is a subject in itself. I will be doing a video on using Market Samurai very shortly, so look out on my blog and in my YouTube channel, Kevin Polar. There's a link there you can click to go to there. Also, my blog is kevinpolar.com. So thank you for your time. I hope what I've given you here is value you can take and use in your business right now. And if you want some more keyword training, there's a link there, click, you will get this free training. It consists of a video, probably I think about an hour long or hour and a half long video, and a PDF you can download. Valuable training, it's free. All you have to do is put in your email address, your name and your phone number, and you're good to go. So again, thank you. This is Kevin Polar.